Here's a great year for a Cadillac, and just an elegant car. 1957 Cadillac. This is a Series 62 Coupe. So two-door hardtop. Just a beautiful car. Now, underneath the hood, 365 V8 is what these would have came with. That is paired with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes. Of course, all the chrome on these cars really made them stand out. The Dagmars up front. This one with some gold highlighting on the emblems. Leghorn would be considered the color of this car, and that's what it was originally. Now it has a blue, kind of a navy blue metallic, indigo blue top, and then a matching white and blue interior. It's just a great combination on this car. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, check out the interior, check out the top. The still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to discuss this car with you. We're going to start it up, check out the engine bay too. But yeah, just take a look at that bright work. Now, this car underwent about a 3-year restoration process. It has less than 1,000 miles on it since then, so the paint is in very nice shape, interior in nice shape. Engine drivetrain gone through at that time also, riding on the wide white walls, classic look. Power antenna here does work. And more modern retro sound style radio has been added to this car. Otherwise, the interior, dash and everything, a lot of chrome, just what you'd expect. We'll get around to the driver's side so you can check that out in a little bit too. But again, navy and white interior. I'll get you a shot of the top on the other side where we don't have all the reflection from the lights, but you can see the luster that the paint has. Just a beautiful color combination. And look up and down this car, how straight it is. Get a car this length, you start to get any sort of poor body work, you're going to see it. Other thing that lots of times, how many times do you see around the exhaust and the chrome flaked, rusted out? This one's still just stunning. Both sides, of course, the chrome up and over the fender flares, fins if you will. Wow. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Let's go up and down the driver's side of this too so you can check out how straight this car is here too. Look at that. Look at how that paint's laid on. Not full of dings, dents, scratches, but just look at how. Other thing you'll notice, look at how these the gaps line up. Look at how nicely done that was. Again, about a 3-year restoration process, less than 1,000 miles on this car since it was done. Door panels also done up to match the interior. No rips, tears, major wear on the interior, but again, there's been enough miles put in this. Seat belts front and back. Want to take family members, friends, grandkids for a ride. All right, let's start this up and check out this interior. Look at all the chrome, the dash, the steering wheel, all the way down on these 57 Cadillacs. Beautiful. All right, let's fire it up here. Then I wanted to show you too. I'm going to turn this radio on here. Just push button. And then check out power antenna working. I also did have the wipers working. They're vacuum, so they take a little bit. Blower fan. That working also here. Blower fan worked. Odometer shows 57,208. I cannot confirm or deny that being original miles. Like I said, less than 1,000 miles on this car since it went through its restoration process. Check out the headliner. Also in nice shape. hoses. Be a great car for sure. Any of your local shows, cruise-ins. Be a fun one to take out and drive. Alright, I'm going to pause this video a second. Let's pop the hood. We'll check out that 365 V8 underneath the hood. And see how that engine bay looks. Hang on a second.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Alright, got the hood popped. First of all, let's look underneath that. Nice and neat. It says opening the hood. Engine came down at low idle. Look at that engine bay. Wow. Matches the rest of the car. Very neat. Stock looking, just what you'd expect. What a fine example of a 1957 Cadillac Series 62 Coupe or two-door hardtop. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, less than 1,000 miles in this car since a 3-year restoration on it. We do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.